Hi everyone, welcome to the second tutorial from Inspire Software. And in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to hide and hide an object and declare an object and function with code. Please open the project that we created last time. And if you don't know, please watch the previous tutorial. It's a really simple project with two view controllers and two buttons and two labels. And you can switch between view controllers. Alright. So we have hello again, we have hello world, right? And this time I'm going to add one more button. It's called hide. I already added it in my view controller. After you added the hide button, there's two ways that you can do this. One is click this. Basically, it's going to show the responding view controllers files. And I'm going to delete what I did there, so everyone should have a clear view about this. So basically, what I did was I opened up the viewController.h alongside with the main storyboard, so we can have a better view of what we're doing here. You can just right-click and scroll down, and you can see all these options that Apple provides you. After you find something called Touch Up Inside, which is just click the button, as a formal way to say click, you just drag it right above the end, and just click and drag and name that action. We simply just created a function called hide, and it's an IB action in the viewController.h that we are going to future declare in viewController.m. And now we're going to declare the label in viewController.h. Just create the open and close bracket, and here we go. I'm going to type this. IB action, your label, which is the class, and then the name of the label with a hyphen, with a semicolon afterwards, because semicolon was a problem for me when I first making apps. And if you just put your mouse on that little thing, it will highlight the label. And I just simply declare the label in action. Now go to the control.m, and we can simply close that view. And these are the old codes, and we're not going to worry about that, and get rid of that. And now I'm going to retype exactly what I did in the view control.h, the action, which is IB action and hide and ID sender. Here we go. It should have hide. It should pop out automatically, but just, and make a bracket afterwards. I'm going to make the label hide well after I click the button. So how am I going to do that? First, I'm going to say hello world dot hidden, which is a Boolean value equals to yes. A Boolean value is basically a yes or no, and it's that simple. I'm going to say hello world dot hidden, and it is hidden, so I'm going to say yes. And before I go any further, I'm going to go over this viewController.m file. Basically, I imported viewController.h, which is everything that in viewController.h is belong to viewController.m now, and that's easy. And as you can see in viewController.h, I have the functions and the buttons, and here is view.load. View.load is basically anything that runs after the view controller get loaded. And it can be something hidden equals to no, or you can set up an integer and things like that. But we're not going to go into that in this tutorial. And the receive memory warning is something that we're not going to worry about for now. And basically this is viewController.m. Let's go back to viewController, the main storyboard. So I create the label and the button, and let's run this application. There should be no arrows. And here's a simulator. hello world. When I click hide, the label is hidden. We achieve our goal. This is a very simple tutorial about how to declare an action and a label and how to interact with all those different factors and things like that. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Thank you.